So, hello everybody. Once again, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I tackle one famous question, interview question. Find the even number. So, with the help of if else condition, I solve this problem. How to find the even number. If user hit the any value, suppose user right hit in the user input the five is even number or not. If user hit the 10 is even number or not. So how to know about the this is the even number is or not. So this is a very famous question when you go to the interview and all that. So this is a very common question which asked by the interviewer. So let's start. So first we know what is the even number. Even number equal to what is the even number? Even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on the even number. This is all the even number. Even number. And what is the odd number? Odd number equal to 1, 3, 5, 6, 9, 11, and all the this is all the odd number. So you can simply say here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and here you can 2, 3, 4, 6. So you can simply say which is divided by if the number is divided by, if you can see the if number is divided by 2 and give the remainder is the number is divided by 2 and give the remainder equal to 0, then is it even number? Because 2 is if 2 is divided by 2, remainder is 0. If 2 is divided by 4, remainder is 0. If 2 is divided by 6, remainder is 0. 2 is divided by 12, remainder is 0. 2 is divided by 100, remainder is 0. So all the even number, if you divided by 0, sorry, if you divided by 2, he always give the remainder as the 0. And what is the odd number? If you divided by the 0, he give me, if he does, sorry, if he number is divided by 2, he give me the remainder anything instead of 0. This is known as the odd number. So so let's start how to know about the number is even or not. So simply I first I can what we do, I include the library which name is stdio header file stdio.net. After that we create main method. In the main method simply we using first we are what using int. We simply write the variable int num equal to we take the number as the enter from the input. So first we write the one enter number, and after then we use scanf. What the scanf and how the scanf works, I've covered in the previous video. So you can not previous video with the one video which name is input output scanf and printf function. So also you might be also watch this video, so you better understand what is the scanf. So you can watch this video. If you, and in this video I simply explain what is scanf. Scanf is used to take the input from the user. So simply take the integer type input, because here I am giving the integer, and simply use address of num. So he take the input from the user, and after that I simply use the if else condition. What is the if else condition? You watch my previous video where I explained the all the concept of the if else condition. So you also watch. So here simply we use if the in the if I simply not writing any flow, and the here is the else condition. In this particular things, in this particular if the condition is true, then this line of code in this line of code will be executed. If this particular thing is false, then this block of the code, else block of the code is executed. This is all about the if else condition. If you might be some details about the what is the if else condition, watch my previous video. So let's start. So in the if condition I simply write if number, I simply write this line of code. If number means this number which when user enter the number modulo 2 equal to 0, so simply copy it. If number 2 equal to 0, then number is simply write even number. Suppose, and else simply write odd number. odd number. So let's suppose I I also run it. Let's suppose user enter 10. 10 modulo 2. If 10 modulo 2 equal to, give me the reminder, give me the 0, so equal to 0. Here 10 modulo 2 equal to 0. So here in the instead of here, he simply go to 0. 0 equal to 0, condition is true. If condition is true, then print the even number. Let's suppose user enter the 11 modulo 2. If 11 modulo 2 reminder is 1, so here the our value is 1. 1 equal to 0, not, condition is false. When the condition is false, else block is executed. So here is simply write 10 modulo 2. So when I upload my entire code in the GitHub, so you might be understand how to this function is work. So simply control S, so control S and run it. And here you can say he say enter number. So enter number, I simply write enter number 10 and print. Here you can see the even number. 10 is the even number. Let's run it again. And here he says enter the number, enter 11. So he give me the 11 is the odd number. If I enter 100, he say 100 is even number. Let's suppose I enter 49. So 49 is the odd number, so he print the odd number. So this is all about the how to find the even number or odd number. So this is the very famous interview question. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, if you enjoy this video, please like this video and also share with your friend. So that's it.